Hey YouTube, it's Nick here. Today we're going to learn how to create a new app ID in Google AdMob. So let's assume you already have your account. We're going to go sign in. If you have a brand new account, you won't have any stats here. So you go to Apps, Add App. Has your app been published in Google Play? If it's a brand new app, it probably has not, so you hit No. Put in your app's name. Let's just call it Test 1, 2, 3 World. It's an Android app. Add. You create your ad units. You want to create your banner. Hit select. Create your banner name. Hello World Banner. You just leave all these default. And then here you're going to get your ad unit IDs. This is your app ID, and this is the ad unit ID. Most platforms just want the ad unit ID, so you get this and you would copy and paste it into the fields. If you want to create a different ad unit, you can do that here. Just create an interstitial. Hello World interstitial. Create ad unit. Your ID numbers here. You can always email it to somebody if you want. If you have a third-party developer or something, you can create the ad unit or hit done. It'll show the whole app right here. You can change your frequency capping. I just leave it default. Change your names. You can see it within all your statistics. I hope this is helpful. Let me know any other questions. Thank you.